How to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and further scroll down and tap on the phone option. You will see the option for call forwarding. Tap on that. Make sure the toggle button for call forwarding is toggled off. This prevents calls from being sent to your voicemail. Next, go ahead and open the phone application on your device and go to the keypad. Enter the code shown on the screen and press the call button to deactivate your voicemail. This code generally stops all call forwarding, which includes forwarding to your voicemail. If your voicemail is still active, you will need to get in touch with your service provider and they can disable it from their end. So, this is how you can turn off voicemail on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.